All right, so it is day 2 here at the rebuild. It's just me and Steph here so far. It is super early in the morning, and he is currently trying to get the wire loom off so we could put the American one on the Japanese motor. So, you know, I can pass like inspection and stuff. But we're gonna get to this and hopefully we get this done relatively soon. We'll be back.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame.
What is this thing?
The swivel stock is too short. My swivel? The stock is too short. So get a longer extension. Not a good extension to be talking about. Because you'll lose extra torque with it. Just saying. It's really thick. What is this?
It looks like just like a regular wrench without the arm. So currently reassembling the new engine. Hooking up all the wire. Fuel rails on.
Yeah, one has already changed.
Which one? Bottom half of the intake manifold is on. Top half of the intake manifold is still down there. Alternator starter.
You give an extra one now.
And extra everything. Yeah. It's like IKEA, extra parts come standard.
Hey, yeah, how much of it's going to work on a USDM car.
Right.
All their motors from Japan?
All their motors from Japan.
Yeah, so we're going to have to focus on that.
The amount of car accidents that are in Japan are insane.
Oh, no, that's not it. You can't, for some reason, you can't keep a car more than like a couple of years.
No, that's in not Japan. That's in
No, it's in Japan.
No, it's not Japan.
Yeah, it is.
Is it Japan?
Japan, Europe, it's kind of everywhere.
You can't keep the car more than a couple of years, and if you do, you have to pay a lot of money or something like that.
Aging tax.
Yeah, that's why.
So could you buy the car used?
So much.
Well, they
don't sell used cars.
They swap the motors. Well, they sell used cars, but they have to repower them every, I can't remember what the standard is, but they get repowered every, I think, 3 to 5 years.
Huh. So you learned something new.
It sucks for them, I guess, but it's good for us.
Something's leaking on the floor, by the way.
You talking about the paper clip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told them about the pilot bearing puller trick in my left locker.
It's cool though, we learned something new.
So we use paper to get out the pilot bushing, but Eric has one in his locker that'll just pull it out.
Alright, they'll tighten down with my fingers.
Well, that's all we need though. You're strong. You're really strong, so it's like the Hulk.
Very bitter coffee.
What?
It's very bitter coffee.
I didn't get any sugar or anything in it because I didn't know what everyone liked. All I know is everyone likes a little bit of milk. If you want, I can like dip my toe in it, it'll sweeten up for you. You'd always think that aftermarket stuff is just way better because it's aftermarket. 90% of the time, that's not true. Because it's not made by the car's like technicians and engineers and stuff. They know what they're doing. They have one job only, and it's to make the car work. And then the people out, they just want to make the most money, so they're just gonna make as many products as possible. If it fits, it fits. If not, you got a welder.
Not entirely true. I mean, there's some shit that, aftermarket is better with, a lot of gaskets
Subaru
and
head
stuff.
gaskets.
Yeah, but turbo gaskets.
That too.
I would run Grim Speeds over fucking OEM any day of the week. Way thicker. Fucking 20 layers of steel. They feel better.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
What are the gaskets made out of?
Depends on the application.
Carbon fiber, though, right?
No.
I was kidding because I was in shock that my drivetrain was carbon fiber.
Drivetrain, you need drivetrain.
Drive shaft. Drivetrain is if it's, what's it called?
I'm gonna bleep all this out. You wouldn't think it's just small.
No, that's why it's
I
good.
want to build a car brand and he doesn't know what he's
That's why he pays people who do know what they're talking about.
What? So,
We're the idiots on this one.
I may not know what I'm talking about, but I have 3 people who do. So,
Fuck you.
fuck you, you're
Where are
cool.
the other two?
Other two.
I see what you did there.
I didn't understand.
He's just spitting out fingers.
He just said he's got 3 people who knows what they're talking about. I asked him where the other 2 are.
Should I cut this belt off? With like a sword?
Give me your
I'm
phone.
getting out of the fucking way, but sure.
These headers on? Well,
Yeah, we'll keep, yeah, these
What
manifolds.
about the mounts? Those two? Or you keep moving?
Yeah, no, the mounts are good on. Okay.
So I have extra motor mounts too.
Yeah.
I have so much extra parts, it's like IKEA. So I'm currently cleaning my intake manifold with this like solvent stuff. So we have to get the cats off the old engine, and we are going to use a torch. Could I use a torch?
No, absolutely not. Could provide some good entertainment value. We could.
I mean, it would be really cool if I got to use a torch.
Keep in mind you're working under open fuel lines.
What are these 14s?
They were at one point.
No, this is still.
We have a cheese platter with all the good cheeses, and then the green olives.
Huh?
It tastes like a grape.
Well, maybe it was a badly deformed grape.
Maybe it fell in motor oil. I put it back in there.
Put some flavor on it.
You can flowers.
You can eat those. Oh crap.
The rats are gonna be everywhere.
I don't think so.
I don't know what the hell is it. It's not from London. Probably a good thing.
Now your face is. Viewers can see how fancy we are.
Nothing but the fucking best.